Hello world and welcome to my channel. This video is going to be on a product I got off Kickass, and it's called a Quickfire barbecue. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers! Okay, this is it. This is from Kickass. It's a barbecue I pre-ordered a couple of months ago, and it's an electric one. So I'm going to open it up and show you what it is. There it is. Yeah, it's a Kickass Quickfire portable 600 watt electric barbecue. It looks like the picture there, and it comes with a bonus bag. Cotton canvas carry bag, valued at 40 bucks. Must be. Yeah, so it looks like that there, picture there, see that? Picture there, and that's it. So its starting power is 750 watts. It's rated at 600 watts. Now the size of it, it's 333 millimeters by 233 millimeters and 55 millimeters high. It weighs 1.8 kilograms, and temperature range is from 36.5 degrees C to 240 degrees C. So yeah, you get the barbecue, the stands, and the bag, and the leads, of course, and everything. So the possibility is endless. So it gets to 240 degrees C in just 2 minutes. Take you over here and show you. Yeah, see, 600 watts, portable, fast heat up, food grade non-stick ceramic coating, thermal controls, touch enabled, temperature. Yeah, little electronic area there supposed to be. So okay, well, I'm going to open it up. And that's the barbecue in here. Get that. Just adjust it down so you can see it a bit better. Yeah, so it's in this nice bag. Velcros on the top handle, blue and black. Good quality canvas bag, of course. Open this up. So in this bag here, it has pockets on the side for all your accessories, legs, cables and things. The other side is a barbecue. Beautiful bag. Just open that up. Limited warranty, of course, with anything you buy these days, and that's it there. Look at it, quite weighty. That's where you plug everything in there. I think it's going to be a really great addition. It's going to be. And then you take out your foot. That's one feet. That's the control board. And that's the cable, 240 volt cable. Put that aside one minute. So, we'll just put it together here. Turn it over. Put in that. Goes onto there. Goes onto there. Magnetic. So the magnetic base touches with magnets, and that one plugs in to the that's where the power is, just there, and it plugs into there. Easy the other way around. Like that. That's what it is. And then you get the lead. And that's the lead there with a bit of Velcros around it to keep it all together. Plugs into here through a standard plug. And that's it. So I'll just take you down here for a look. That's it there. A handspan there, and another handspan there. So one, good size, good quality. Fans are there on the back of it. You can see two thermo fans to help with the cooling of the electronics, I assume. Don't even know what they are. But if you have it on a surface, it might appear, but yeah. Plugs into there. I said they're quick removable. The base has just come off. It's on a magnet, that one there. That one there just plugs in. Good looking unit, good looking bag. Got all the pockets in the bag there. Good quality bag foam. It's got foam in it in the bag, so it protects the BBQ. Yeah, it's quite thick, the bag there. It's got foam in there to protect everything. Kickass. So yeah, I'm going to have to try it out and cook on something. Yeah, well, I'm just going to pack it away and cook on another day. So take the base off there. That comes off there. That goes into here. Oh. Into there. One foot goes into there. One goes. There's 3 different size pockets. Goes into there, and then this goes into there, and then it zips up closed. And that's it. All finished. Back in the bag. Okay, well, I'm going to cook on it and show you that in another video. But I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Just a note, I pre-ordered this 2 months ago, and it was $199. They had it on extra special over Easter. I think it was $10 even cheaper, but normally it's a bit dearer than that. So anyway, I decided to pre-order it and get in, and a few other people I know have done the same thing, because it looks like such a great idea. Thank you, and cheers.